Welcome back, Crammers, to question 10. Herman changed 500 pounds into euros. Given that the exchange rate was 1 pound to 1.18 euros, work out how much money in euros Herman received. So we can see here that 1 pound is equivalent to 1.18 euros, and he gave forth 500 pounds into, he doesn't know how much he received. So we can simply multiply both sides by x. This simply cancels out, and we can multiply both sides by 1.18, so times 1.18, this cancels out, times 1.18. So we can simply see that x is equal to 500 times 1.18, and we can use our calculator to find the answer. We have 500 times 1.18. That is 590 euros. 590 euros. I need to change $350 into pounds. The exchange rate was 1 pound is to $1.40. Work out how much money in pounds Anita received. Okay, so we can see here that 1 pound is to $1.4. And she has here an unknown amount of pounds to $350. We can simply multiply both sides by 350. This cancels out, and we simply get x is equal to 350 divided by 1.4. We can then use our calculator here. 350 divided by 1.4. That gives us 250 pounds. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.